If you thought Apple was done shaking up the budget tech market after last month, the story may not be over just yet. A new wave of excitement is building in the tech world, and this time it revolves around a desktop computer that could completely change the game in terms of both price and performance. Imagine a machine that costs less than a pair of premium AirPods while still offering Apple-level quality, speed, and ecosystem benefits. That is exactly why the rumored Mac Neo has become one of the hottest topics in the tech community right now. Let's rewind for a moment to understand how we got here. Not too long ago, Apple surprised almost everyone with the launch of the MacBook Neo. At first, many people assumed it would be a cheap, underpowered laptop full of compromises. Instead, Apple shocked critics by delivering something far more impressive. With a premium aluminum body, a beautiful liquid retina display, a smooth keyboard, and an excellent trackpad, the device quickly felt like a miracle in the budget segment. However, the real magic was hidden inside. According to reports, the processor powering the machine was efficient enough to challenge even more expensive MacBook Air models. That immediately sparked one major question among tech analysts. What would happen if Apple took the same formula and turned it into a desktop computer? That is where the Mac Neo enters the conversation. Based on leaks and industry reports, Apple is reportedly working on an ultra-budget desktop that could become a smaller and significantly cheaper version of the Mac Mini. Since it would not include expensive laptop components like a battery, display, trackpad, or keyboard, Apple could potentially keep the price incredibly low. Some rumors even suggest a starting price of just $399, with student discounts possibly bringing the cost down to around $299. Take a second to think about that. An entirely new Apple computer for under $300. Just a few years ago, that idea would have sounded impossible. The biggest question, of course, is what kind of experience users would actually get at such a low price. At first glance, you might assume it would be a weak machine capable of only basic tasks, but the leaks paint a very different picture. Reports suggest that the device could launch sometime around 2027 and may feature a next-generation A19-based processor. It is also rumored to include 12 GB of RAM, which means it would not just be a basic browsing device. Daily computing tasks such as document editing, multitasking, online classes, video streaming, and even light media editing could all run smoothly without major issues. Some people are already asking whether this would simply be an expensive version of an Apple TV. The answer appears to be no. Apple TV devices are designed mainly for entertainment and operate on a much more limited operating system. The rumored Mac Neo, however, is expected to run the full version of macOS. That means users could install desktop apps, browse the complete desktop web, and treat it like a legitimate computer instead of a restricted media device. This is also why many people are imagining it as a perfect living room machine, connected directly to a television for media streaming and retro gaming. When it comes to hardware ports, Apple will likely make a few compromises to keep costs under control. High-end Thunderbolt ports may not make the cut. Instead, rumors suggest the device could include basic USB ports, USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet, and a headphone jack. The HDMI port alone could make the machine incredibly practical, because users would be able to plug it into almost any monitor or TV they already own, without spending extra money on expensive adapters or dongles. Design could also play a huge role in the Mac Neo's appeal. According to reports, Apple may introduce the machine in multiple fun colors instead of limiting buyers to standard silver or space gray finishes. That would make it feel more personal and visually appealing, almost like a decorative piece for a desk setup rather than just another computer. For students, home office workers, and small businesses, the device could become especially attractive because finding a reliable computer at a low price has never been easy. If even half of these leaks turn out to be true, the Mac Neo could seriously disrupt the desktop PC market. For years, budget desktop buyers have had to settle for slow Windows machines made of cheap plastic or spend significantly more money for something reliable. But if Apple really launches a capable desktop in the $300–400 range, it could completely redefine budget computing. So now comes the ultimate question. If you could buy a Mac Neo for around $299, would you actually get one? Would you use it as a home office computer for daily browsing and productivity? Or would you connect it to your TV and turn it into the ultimate media center?